Many products need to adapt to different sizes. Mastering parametric dimensions in Fusion can help you quickly test product variations and find the perfect fit for the market. Today, we'll design a simple box with a lid and a handle. It won't win design awards, but it's a perfect example of how to control dimensions and maintain proportionality while changing the box size. First, we'll create a box length user parameter to drive all other dimensions. By naming parameters clearly and using simple or complex expressions, you can set up dynamic relationships across your design. As we input values, notice how the calculated dimensions update automatically. This ensures our formulas are correct. Now, I'll fast forward through setting up the remaining parameters. If you want to copy my formulas, pause the video and take a screenshot before continuing. To start the box, I'll use the center rectangle. It's a quick and effective way to center the design right above the origin. In the data input box, type the correct expression for the rectangle's dimensions. Use the Tab key to quickly toggle between input boxes and speed up your workflow. Once the sketch is complete, we'll move to the Extrude command. Input the box height expression here to define the height dynamically. Next, we'll make the box hollow using the shell command. For this, we'll apply the BoxThickness user parameter. Unlike the other dimensions in this tutorial, BoxThickness isn't tied to the box length parameter. Now, we'll create the lid by placing a center rectangle sketch on top of the box. Our proactive centering above the origin simplifies this step, making positioning effortless. Thanks to clear parameter naming, selecting the right values in Fusion's data input boxes is straightforward. Place the handle sketch centrally on the lid and input the user parameters into each data box. While I've used the join operation here, working with separate bodies or components is usually better for flexibility if you're creating a box with 3 parts. However, since the focus of this tutorial is on user parameters, I didn't prioritize this. Time to test the design. Change the box length user parameter and see how everything updates instantly. The adjustments are both visual and precise, with exact values displayed in the parameter table. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. It really means a lot. Also, check out my regularly updated playlist for more Fusion tips and tricks to level up your projects. Thank you.